on how your grill works and show you what to do when it doesn't. So the first thing you need to do when your grill isn't working is to know what kind of grill you have. Today, I'm going to show you how to find the model number on this Weber gas grill. Most grills you find today will have the brand here on the top, and they might even have the series like this Weber Spirit 2 has right here. However, the model number is a little bit more difficult to find. What you want to look for is a sticker like this. Unfortunately, on this Weber, this is not the sticker with the model number, so we have to dig a little deeper. Sometimes model numbers can be on the back of the faceplate or inside a door here, but on this Weber, it's actually over here on the side of the grill within the grill stand. So I'm coming down here now underneath the Weber Spirit 2 series, and you can see here is our Weber model number information. So you actually have your part number, your serial number, and then over here to the right a little bit, you've got your model. So the model is a Spirit 2 E310 LP. LP is for liquid propane. BLK is just for black, US, Canada, Mexico. That means that was sold in all those different places. It's interesting to note here that Weber does have a part number associated with this grill. Most other brands don't do that. What you really want to use to find the parts for this grill is going to be this model right here. So I hope this helps you find any parts that you need for the future or do any kind of troubleshooting on your Weber grill. And thanks for watching.